Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about SQL statement basic. Once we need to write and interact with the SQL server, where we have to know about how to write a statement, what is the usage of it, why we require to write SQL statements to interact with our database server, to retrieving the data or inserting, updating, deleting, all these activities. We will see at a glance about SQL in this session here. Structured query language, SQL, what we are going to discussing about this term, SQL means structured query language. The language we are framing like in a structured frame to communicate and interact with database engine or database servers to reading, updating and modifying a data information like a data rows from the database. SQL is an ANSI and ISO standard database query language. It will support a variety of relational database management system called RDBMS, as usual in our days it's calling. And complex databases of enterprise databases, most of they are using RDBMS database servers. Relational database management server will have a relation between one table to another table with the help of using keys. Keys we can call it as primary key, foreign key, candidate key, unique key. These all the keys are there where we are going to discussing in our next sessions. Will in detail of each and every key. The basic SQL statement using a select is formed like, see here in select space customer ID, it's in a column name, space first name, it's in a, again column name, and last name, it's in a column name. From products means it's in a table name of the table. We are selecting, these are the columns from products table. Order by is in a class where we are using to order by the list. It is returning the result set list by first name, means alphabetical order, ascending order by default it will gives. All right. Now, the select statement is used for reading and retrieving the data rows from the database by specifying if any criteria like a condition or these many dates between. So like I want only the data from the table. I can assume that it's enough for February month only, from 1st February to 29th or 28th February, which is respect to that year. If I specified only that particular result set of data rows will be returned in the data set and I will be populated the data, I can function with that. Instead of having the database table may have years of data, but I am working with a particular month of data for the sales verifying or employee leave verification like attendance. Likewise, if I any specific particular point of data, if I want, by using the select statement with the help of from and where clauses, I can restrict the filter the data as I require and I can get the data from the database. Like you assume it here, select column 1, column 2, like any one of the columns. And from table, name of the table, it may be for one single table or multiple tables also you can write. After the from, you have to specify the table, which table you want to get the data. And where clause we'll use for filtering the data in particular such a condition wise. All right. SQL keywords are not case sensitive. Select, it's in a small letter of select, it is written here is the same as capital letter select. Like where we have written here, it's in a small letter where also we can write, as you seen here. The similarly from. Whereas to understanding, it's an SQL statement and SQL keyword I'm mentioning in this tutorial. It's all the letters are capital. I'm using here the keywords of the SQL to understanding what is the column name and what is the too easy to understand what is the column name. It's in a small case letters, so I'll use, whereas SQL letters I'll use for capital letters, whereas there is a not case sensitive as you will wish to write anything, either small letter or capital letter over here. And the important SQL commands are in regular SQL development or SQL interacting with the database to retrieve the data, insert, update, delete, and modifying, and alterations if any required. All will covers these top important SQL commands like a select, which will retrieve the data from database, update will use for modifying the database rows, and delete data rows from the database table, insert into, that command is will use to insert the data rows into the database, create database, to creating a new database will use this command, and alter database, if any modifications in that database which is created already will use the alter, create table, create the new database table, alter if any modifications with the table, drop to delete permanently with the table, create index. Indexing is an retrieving on special cases we'll use for index for fast retrieval of searching techniques. For the purpose we'll create for an indexes and a drop index. These are very familiar and most of the time we'll use these commands in very regular way. Instead of this, we'll use for where class, the classes of where class for filtering the data, order by, limit, and like. These are the classes we'll use one by one. We'll see. To completion of this session, we'll learn one by one all the most of the familiar topics. Basic standardization will make you an SQL professional. You always be thoroughly learn basic as in a beginners of the SQL way. You will have a good knowledge about SQL. Thank you for watching this session. Hope you. Thank you.